is Happy Meal Friday, woohoo! And I have two amazing meals to share with you today. So I will jump right in with the first one. So this one I received from Pooja. Thank you so much, Pooja. Absolutely loved it. This is such a lovely little meal. So I will share with you what's inside this envelope. If I can take it out properly, because it gets stuck in the envelope. Yes, here it is. Look at it. It is gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. So you have this belly band that says in bloom with this beautiful pattern paper so that you can take that off. Then here she made me a vellum envelope. Very pretty. And inside is her letter. But she also included a bunch of stickers for me. So I'm going to share that with you. So we have some stickers that say completely in touch with my feminine side. Then thank you mailman stickers. Spring is in the air. Thank you mailman. Happy mail day. Absolutely beautiful. This little bunny. He's so cute. He's so cute. Happy mail day with this beautiful envelope. And code like a girl. So it's a computer with beautiful flowers. Then more of the spring is in the air stickers. And then self-love is the best love, which I absolutely agree, of course. So absolutely love these stickers. They will be a lot of fun to use. And then in here was her little letter to me. So thank you so much, Pooja. Absolutely love it. And then this is the card. So I'm going to show you. So this is so cool. So if you open it up, look how cool. How cool is this card? And it says so lovely. But look how cool. It just opens and it closes like this. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Then on her back is the handle and handmade with love. But this is so cool. And I absolutely love the pattern paper choice. Absolutely love it. So this is so cool. So cool. So that was my first mail. Thank you so much, Pooja. Absolutely love it. Thank you very much. Then the second one is this mail from Jadwiga. She only forgot to put her return address in there and a letter, but she made me a journal. And I'm so excited. Look at how gorgeous this journal is. So she made me this super cool journal. So this is fabric and some beautiful paper, and it's hardcover. And she kept me in mind. So she added a lot of blank pages as well, which I very much appreciate. So I will flip you through this journal. So there are a lot of blank pages which I can use for my own creations. Then she adds, so these are cream colored, and then some white colored pages. And there are a ton of pages in here. Then some pattern papers. Absolutely beautiful pattern papers. Absolutely love it. Love it. Then more blank pages. And we move on to even more blank pages. So this journal is so ready for me to journal in. I absolutely love it. And I love the size. And another beautiful pattern paper. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And then more of these cream colored pages. So this will be a lot of fun to journal in, and I think I will use a journal like this as my personal journal because I write a lot in my personal journal. And I do a bit of collage, of course, because I love to make pretty things. But if the journal has a lot of writing space, I'm more inclined to use it for my personal journaling instead of journaling here on YouTube. If you want to see my personal journal, that is possible. Follow me on Instagram. That is linked down below in the description box. And you can see my pages before the pen. So if you want to see that, and when I use this journal as my personal journal, you can follow me over there to see what I do. But I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to use this journal. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Love the paper choices. Absolutely beautiful. So thank you so much, Jadwiga. absolutely gorgeous journal and this beautiful nail from Pooja. Thank you so much. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm slowly catching up on my snail mail, but with setting up my business and doing all the freelance jobs, I have to figure out when I do certain things because I'm also rebranding Simply Creative Kyra, and I have a lot of plans and a lot of things that I need to set up before I can share them with you, but they are very exciting. So if you want to know that, stay tuned. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up. I would also love it if you would consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye!